inside. Words that paint a legacy of life. A different picture will unfold. A healing find its way through. 50 times I take another breath, with an ambience of nothing left. So heal my heart, rain down your love. These waters bring me back to life. Father, timeless places, traced and faceless. Will I learn to let go? Take me to the heights where love controls. Far away from home but feel so close.